everybody, this is Shagun Smith-Francis and you're watching TeachMe SF. Today we will be talking about types of research. The types of research are basically classified into various types on the basis of purpose, time, methodology, settings, etc. And they are classified into basically 8 types of research. These are the basic research, applied research, action research, empirical research, qualitative and quantitative research, longitudinal and simulation research. Now, basic research is also called as pure research. The basic aim of this research is to gather new information, to discover new knowledge about a particular area. The best example could be medical sciences, as we've seen that the medical sciences is one particular field where there is constant research carried on for so many years, and this has led to the advancement of medical sciences as a subject. So the basic reason for this kind of research is not problem solving but gathering of new information or discovering of new information. These researches are basically used for formulating theories and generalizations. Applied research. Applied research is also called as need-based research and it has a high practical relevance. These are the researches that are basically carried out to find particular solutions to the problems. The problems could be of society, government and business. So these are basically result-oriented researches. Action research. Action research is another form of applied research. The main difference between applied research and action research is that action research is carried on to solve the problems of our own, to give solution to our own problems, and the applied research is basically carried on to solve the problems of the third party. Empirical research. Empirical research is also known as experimental research, and it is basically a gathering of first-hand data, that is collection of primary data and then analyzing it and making it and then conducting hypothesis testing. These are the researches where there is a relationship between the independent and the dependent variable, and the findings of the samples are applied to the population. The next type is the qualitative research. Qualitative research is basically concerned with researching the human behavior. It is study of human behavior, study of perceptions and attitudes of the people. These researches are basically done on consumers or employees or workers for that matter, and these are done on the basis of interviews and observation techniques. Quantitative research. Quantitative research deals with numbers. It could be study of a number of consumers, number of schools, number of employees. The number could be about anything. So when we study the numbers, we study the quantity, we study the quantitative aspect of a particular data, that is called quantitative research, and in such researches extensive use of statistical tools or techniques are used. The next is the qualitative, the longitudinal research. Longitudinal research is the research that is carried on for a very long period of time. These are the researches where we study a phenomena or the impact of a certain thing over a number of years. Here basically we try to study the trend analysis. The last research is the simulation research. Simulation means when we create an artificial environment that is very similar to the real environment. For example, if we want to study the spending habits of our consumers, we will create an artificial environment by giving each of the consumers 1,000 rupees, and then we study the pattern of how they will spend their 1,000 each. So that is a simulation environment, simulation research. This is all for today, and in tomorrow's video we will be discussing the process of research. This is a very important topic, and you can find this question in a number of examinations that you cover. Till then, Thank you so much.